Hello there, this is Dwayne Dove with Dove Aerial Services. In October of 2021, we shot an unofficial aerial video of the progress at the Palo Pinto State Park. This park is under construction and will hopefully be open in the next year or so. Again, this is unofficial. We do not have any state information as to when this park will be completed. This looks to be where the entrance to the park will be. You can see Tucker Lake in the upper right corner, Tucker Lake Dam and the spillway. This view is of Tucker Lake again and the construction that's taking place on what looks to be the entrance. You can see where the railroad crosses through the park, and I believe that's Russell Creek that bridge, the railroad bridge, crosses over. Again, this is unofficial video. This is just aerial video that we shot to document the construction progress of the new Palo Pinto State Park. Stay tuned as we will try to update this in the future.